Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to reach the statue from the Diablo Immortal mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. All you need to do is you need to finish the library of Zoltun Kule quest, and then after you finish that quest you can start the quest of the reach the statue on the library. Okay, and now you need to follow the path or the navigate, and now you can also talk to curator for the next quest, and now you can inspect the pedestal for the next quest. Okay, and all you need to do is you can click the here like this, and now you already finished the inspect the pedestal, and you need to find the first ruin. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.